have how many?
How many brothers do we have that wish to take Shahada? One? Okay.
Maybe some more are coming. Okay, this is a good chance, by the way. Those of you who ask us all the time, you're always asking, how many women versus how many men come to Islam? We usually say, for every 4 women, only 1 man. Today, though, they increased it to 6 women, so we need 1.5 men. Oh, that's not going to work. All right. Anyhow, we have 1 ready. Could you hold up your hand? Where are you? We need another man to join this man right here. If somebody has never made Shahada, get over here right now. So we don't want the women showing us up. I mean, it's really, 6 to 1. Guys, what are we doing? The women are doing all the work in dawah and we're just sitting around drinking kahwa? Doesn't work, guys. Let's hear it for our sisters. Allahu Akbar.
MashaAllah.
All right. Do we have some more men yet that want to do Shahada? Any more men want to do Shahada? Here we go. Here we go. That's it. Get them up there. All right.
Okay, bring them up. Bring them up.
That's what I'm talking about. Bring them up.
Bring them up. Get up on the stage. Sheikh, we're going to have to...
He created the universe, to him belong the heavens and the earth. The ever-living, he is the first. He's the only his messengers to warn his creatures of the grave dangers of worshiping other than Allah.
English?
Like we're never relaxed. Okay, we're going to mess up the English again. Yeah? Because I'm nervous, I'm nervous for you guys. I remember what it was like 22 years ago. And so if I mess up, just slap me around the face. No, don't do that. No. Okay, so I'm going to start by saying the English, and then the Sheikh will repeat in the Arabic. Okay. Okay. So you say, move very close to the mic.
There you go.
Yeah. Don't shout. All right. You ready? Okay. I testify.
I testify.
There is no deity of worship.
There is no deity of worship
But Allah.
but Allah.
And Muhammad
And Muhammad
is his final messenger.
is his final messenger.
Takbir. Alhamdulillah.
Allahu Akbar.
All right, ready?
Yes, sir.
The same thing. It means the same thing in Arabic. It's even more beautiful in Arabic. You ready?
Sure.
Ashhadu
Ashhadu
an la
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illa
illa
Allah
Allah
wa
wa
ashhadu
ashhadu
anna Muhammad
anna Muhammad
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
Allahu Akbar.
Created the universe, to him belong the heavens and the earth. The ever-living, he is the first. He's the
Bodybuilding? Man, mashallah.
his messengers to warn his creatures of the grave dangers of worship.
It's important to tell our sisters and our new brothers this important message from Almighty God. When anybody enters into Islam, then Allah will forgive all of their sins since the day they were born, and they are like they just came from their mother.
Oh, I wish I could go back to that stage.
Me too. And there's more. There's more. They get to keep all of the good deeds. Allah takes away from all of the bad deeds. And there's more. Now their heart, every heartbeat is for Allah. It means when they are asking Allah in their heart for anything, Allah is giving it to them either here or in the hereafter or both. Allahu Akbar.